In this video, I'm going to show you how to save screener presets on Finviz. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to screener here in the top left, and of course you then want to customize your filters and settings however you want them to be. So I'm just going to go to all over here, and I'm just going to make some changes right now just to show you how to save it. So I'm going to go exchange, and I'm going to select NASDAQ over here, then I'm going to go for market cap over here, and we're going to set this market cap to, for example, large, and of course you can go and set whatever you want, completely up to you. Anything can be saved. Whenever you've done this, click on over here, top left, where it says My Presets, and then if you have any presets, they're going to be listed over here, but if you don't, it's going to say Create or Save a Preset or Current Screen, something like that. Click on that button, but if you do have some already, you'll be able to click on this button by clicking over here where it says Screen Options, and then click on Save as New Screen. Then you have to give it a name, so I'm going to name this one Tutorial Screen like this. You can see the parameters over here, and then click on Save. Whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to get added onto your list of your screens over here, and that's how to essentially save a preset. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.